In this video, I will be showing you how to do YouTube keyword research using YouTube's search bar and autocomplete feature. Let's get started. First, I navigate to YouTube and click on the search bar at the top of the page. To explore what people are searching for, I start by typing, how to write. As I type, YouTube automatically displays popular search suggestions in the drop-down menu, such as how to write alphabet, how to write cursive, and how to write an essay. Next, I narrow down my search by typing blog. Notice how the suggestions automatically update to display more specific search queries related to blogging, including how to write blog post, how to write blogs in WordPress, and how to write blogs for beginners. I then add a space and the letter A to discover more specific phrases. The autocomplete list immediately updates to present long-tail keyword ideas like how to write blog article with ChatGPT, how to write blog and earn money, and how to write blog and publish. Next, I backspace to remove A and type B. The menu updates again, showing options like how to write blog post, how to write best blog, and how to write a blog for beginners. I erase B and replaced it with W. This brings up suggestions such as how to write blog with I, how to write blog without plagiarizing, and how to write blog WordPress. Now, I clear the search bar completely to try a different topic. I start typing how to bake a. The suggestions show general baking topics like how to bake a cake for beginners, and how to bake a chocolate cake. I add CA after A, and the drop-down gives me options like how to bake a cake at home, and how to bake a chiffon cake. I clear the letters CA and type A again to see phrases starting with another letter, showing options like how to bake an apple pie. I clear A and type P to see options like how to bake a pancake and how to bake a pie. I backspace again and type F. The search suggestions instantly show options like how to bake a fruitcake, how to bake a fish in an oven, and how to bake a French bread. Next, I backspace F and type M. This reveals suggestions like how to bake a moist chocolate cake, how to bake a muffin, and how to bake a macarons. I click directly on how to bake a macarons from the suggestions to view the search results. As the results load, I scroll down through the page to review the top-ranking videos, checking their titles, thumbnails, view counts, and upload dates to analyze the competition for this topic. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.